Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to play games on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unlimit. So first of all, open your browser and type Discord activity. Search here Discord activities bot and open this first link and click on invite this bot and select your server, authorize and ensure that you're not a robot. And then here you can see activities bot has been added to my server. And now we need to create a new voice channel. I'm going to give the name here taste and create channel and jump into this voice channel here and now give a slash and click on this activity, channel activity, and now select your channel. And now from here you can select any game to play. Suppose I'm going to select this fishing tone and then hit enter. Click to open fishing tone in text, so we have to click on this link here and then your game will be connected if you are beta user. And one more thing you have to remember, that you can't play game if you're not a beta user. So only beta user can play a game here. So this also we can play game on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.